Hello my friends, do you love using your phones to take awesome pictures and capture the precious moments? Did you ever feel awkward or even regret that your phone camera cannot include everything in one picture? Or when you try to get close to highlight some details, all you get are the blurred pictures? Did you ever wish that someone could help hold your phones and snap some pictures for you, but nobody is around? If any of the situations sounds familiar to you, I'm excited to introduce the easeUup phone lens kit to help you to solve all the problems above. I'm a big fan of the photograph. That's why I have so many lenses and a big camera. But the biggest challenge is that they are really heavy and bulky. It's not easy to carry them around for everyday use. Plus, a lot of time when the precious moment happens, you only have your phone with you. So that's why the easeUup lens kit is a perfect solution to empower your phone without compromising the convenience. Let me show you how to use it. When you receive the lens, the two pieces are attached together as a wide-angle lens. If you want to use a macro, simply screw up the top piece and the bottom one is your macro. The power of this lens clip is that the center of the metal ring can slide up and down. Why is that? Because different cameras have different phones have different camera designs. In my case, the camera is at the top corner, but some of them could be in the middle, some of them could be far away from the edge. The flexible design of this ring allows our lens to be attached to any kind of camera on different phones. So to use the lens, simply screw it onto this clip. And in my case, I need to slide it up to fit my camera. You can either attach it vertically or horizontally. Please make sure the center of the lens is aligned to the center of your camera. You can look from the front side to check it. To use the lightweight tripod, you can easily find the two short legs at the back side and open them up like this. Then you can push these two buttons to adjust the angle of the plate. The phone holder has a spring in it, so you can easily stretch it up, attach to your phone. And finally, you just need to screw it in to your tripod with the screw holes either at the bottom or at the side. The last piece is this Bluetooth remote controller. You can easily pair it to your phone like any other regular Bluetooth devices. In the end, everything can be included in this small pouch and put your tripod in this bag. So easeUup phone lens kit can really help you to capture the awesome pictures anywhere, anytime. It is a perfect gift for yourself, your family, and your friends. Thanks for watching.